Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone doing today? It's gonna be another early morning for me. I got about 3 hours of sleep, and yeah, I need to go clean my truck. So we are actually going up to a car show in support of a police officer that was killed on duty. So it's a free car show, but donations are welcome. It's up in Murrieta, California. Going up there, a few of my buddies are going up there, so we are going to go wash the Duramax and hopefully make it up there in time. I didn't print out the sheet or anything, so hopefully we can make it up there and get in and have no issues, but really just wanted to go up there and support and everything. So yeah, always losing sleep on this channel, but we're gonna go wash the Duramax. We're gonna go get everything ready to go, I guess. I got vacuumed inside. There's dog fur everywhere from the new puppy. And this truck is by no means the cleanest thing, but it usually gets some attention. So I don't really care. I'm not trying to win anything. I'm just trying to go support what everyone's there for, you know. So we are gonna go do that now. I'm gonna go grab a coffee and get started cleaning this thing real quick and then head up there. So it's probably about a 45-minute drive. So yeah, let's get to it. They said it'll be fun. And now I know why people don't let their dogs sit in the front of their truck. That's alright. I love her. She's welcome. It's just a truck. I don't care that much. Trying to make it look halfway presentable for this show. But yet again, go out there for a good cause, not for to win some trophy, you know. So, got stuck. Anywho, we're gonna finish vacuuming real quick. I'm gonna get the towel wiped down the whole truck. It's all washed up, and yeah, we'll be on the road. Alrighty, guys. So we made it in one piece on time and got in. We have all the trucks lined up. Shoot, you guys probably know most of these people. D-Max I know. I believe this is SoCal62. I have to check his Instagram. I'll plug it somewhere. But anyways, we're gonna go walk around and check out some of the cars here and see what's going on. There's some badass stuff.
Over here. Watch out, bro. Ooh, look, even the inside's done?
Yeah, the whole center and everything.
Thriller, suicide doors. Yeah, that's not a cheap paint job. No, definitely not. Fit in there, buddy? Yeah,
And it's got the Kurt Cobain.
Oh, he does got Kurt Cobain.
Yeah,
R&B, that guy. Oh, Kurt, Seattle's finest.
That's crazy. The amount of work that must have went into that paint. Get someone else on the back, but I didn't see. BB King.
Oh, did he add
Elvis?
Nipsey Hussle to this? You gotta add Nipsey.
I like that cutout right there. Johnny James.
I always wonder when I see vehicles like this, like the guy that owns it has to do airbrushing, right?
Now, out of all the cars here, like that we're just looking at, this has to be the best one. Mark IV Supras definitely have a soft spot in my heart. Yeah, bro.
Clean too, very clean. Where is she at?
This thing's crazy.
Where's he? What can I do?
Yeah, this is a crazy setup. I've never seen a truck done like this in the rear.
Oh yeah, dude. That's why I did it, man. I just wanted it to be different. I wanted to do it. But then I've seen 4 trucks with the cantilever in the rear.
And you said the ride's great, everything, right?
It rides like a Cadillac, man.
Yeah.
It rides better than stock, but then, you know, with that 4-link and shit, it costs a lot of money, man.
Yeah, I feel you.
Dang.
That's crazy, bro. This is a nice kit, though.
I appreciate it a lot. But like when I was talking to her, I got the same exact train horns as Josh.
Yeah.
Josh told me, he's like, dude, go with the 544 Nightmares. All right, dude, I did it, and it sounds like a train.
Yeah.
It sounds
Oh yeah,
like
they're good.
It sounds like a real train.
They're good. So if you guys want to see more of this truck, SoCal Duramax, I'll plug it right here when put it in the video and get it all up there. But this thing is badass, definitely one of a kind. Like you said, only specialty forges right now around. So
She's dirty though.
oh yeah.
Did not wash her yet.
Yeah, dirty. Have you seen my truck? You know. He drives this thing too. He tows with it. You tow. You got a toy hauler. You got. You drive it every day, right?
Yeah,
daily?
I drive it every day. Every day she's on the road.
Yep.
Every day.
So I would classify this as a SEMA build that gets daily driven. You know, daily driven. So.
I don't think it's a SEMA build.
It's pretty close, man.
I appreciate it though.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. So, got the whole gang out here.
This is actually Ryan's bumper.
Oh, is it?
This is D-Max Rhino's bumper.
Yeah. Is that the one he took off his truck?
Yeah, so he took it off his truck because he got the flogs.
Mm-hmm.
And then when my truck was lower, not lower, when it was stock, a freaking 18-wheeler just blasted over on the freeway. He knocked something up and it broke my fog light and just crashed it.
All the housing and everything.
Yeah, so then, my truck is ceramic coated. The whole truck's ceramic coated. And then I was Ryan, please give me your bumper so I can ceramic coat the bumper.
Yeah.
The guy's his name is Kelly. His name's Kelly over at Shine Detailing, and he ceramic coated the whole truck in the wheels, and then it feels it's awesome. You just spray the truck and the water just beads off.
Cleans right
I
up.
love it. It's a lot of money, but it's worth it. It just protects the paint from the sun. I love it, man.
For sure.
Cool.
Hell yeah. I'm sure you guys have seen this truck everywhere. D-Max right now. It's definitely one of the bigger trucks on Instagram and YouTube, but got a beautiful setup over here. So
wheels and shit going, right? You know what I'm saying?
Wheels ain't cheap.
also running bulletproof lift in the front. He's on bags in the rear. Carlos, do you know, is this a bulletproof kit on the back too, or
No? That's Ultimate Air Ride.
Okay.
Ultimate Air Ride in the rear. Hell yeah. Get the train horn, Ryan. No rumble horn. Hey, babe. Hey, Jerry, you know what to do. I gotta watch my kid. Hey, dude, that's gotta be like 60.
Right? Just give it a second.
That's so sick.
Little auto.
Damn, bro, that's
And then
crazy.
when they get off, it should let air out. Drop it back down.
All right, here we go. Thank you, Jonathan. My name is Officer Mike Lassick. I'm with the California Highway Patrol. I work out of the Temecula area office. And on behalf of the California Highway Patrol, the entire department, and the Lacone family, we want to say thank you so much for coming out here and supporting this event. Damien putting this on in such short notice. You did an outstanding job. Vendors coming out, thank you so much for supporting. Car show folks, bringing out your vehicles. And there are quite a few of them that I wouldn't mind pulling over later on today. So I will have my eyes out for you. But on behalf of the Lacone family, we want to say thank you so much again for coming out on this awesome day, beautiful weather. And it's for one of the greatest causes as you can imagine. The community that came out to this event today came out to our CHP booth and donated, whether it was cash or checks, or just, you know, a prayer for us. Thank you so much. And so you know what we collected at the table that we're going to be presenting to the Lacone family that's being guarded right now by a highly trained CHP officer. But $6,905 were donated to the Lacone family. They'll come over to our booth and they're going to get that in a short bit. But once again, $6,905 from the community coming together to help out the Lacone family from this tragic incident. I would like to touch on this. You know, it's Cinco de Mayo. I got to put out that safety message. If you drink, don't drive. DUIs are 100% avoidable. It's simple. Don't get behind the wheel if you had any alcohol, any kind of drugs, medication, or anything like that. You can prevent a tragedy by not getting behind the wheel of a vehicle under the influence of anything. So keep that in mind. Be safe on the roadways. Let's you know, be partners in safety. That's the biggest thing. Keeping the roadway safe. And once again, thank you so much. I would, Captain Tyler, do you mind saying anything? He's good. All right, Captain Tyler's good. Captain Tyler is the commander at the Riverside CHP office to my right. I've got my lieutenant from Temecula, Brian Gonzalez, and I'll speak for them. Thank you so much again for coming out. I'm going to hand it back to Jonathan. I spoke too long. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.
Alright guys, that is a wrap for a special event that is kind of really a terrible thing where someone was killed, you know, serving as a first responder and killed on the side of the road. And also rolling into that, I know Cinco de Mayo is just passing and everything, but make sure you guys are not drinking and driving. There is no reason to in this day and age or anything. Make sure you guys are safe out there. Don't drive reckless, don't drive crazy. And if you see a first responder on the side of the road, whether tow truck, EMT, police officer, fire, whatever, you know, whatever it may be, move over, or like if you can't move over, at least slow down. You know, be safe out there and make sure to take care of the people taking care of us. So that's gonna do it, guys. Sorry I kind of had to beat feet and get out of there. I am late for work, so I have to get down to work right now. I'm gonna take the dog out real quick and get to work, but that's gonna be it, guys. I'll see you in a few days with another video. Take it easy, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.